So here I have this image, and if I want to upscale this image in GIMP without using any third-party apps, you can do it very simple. So here, as you can see here in scale image, I can scale the image. I can click on image, and I can see here also print options, and here in layout I can see scale a layout. And here I can type maybe 6000 by 500, whatever. I click on scale. And as you can see, this actually scaled the image. But now if I go to canvas size, and I can type here 600 by 400, and I can click on resize. This is actually what resizes the image as well. So now I have this image resized, but also the canvas that was just resized. So that's all you have to do. Now, to be quite honest, this won't give you the best quality, but something you can do to fix the quality is to go here to enhance and click on sharpen here. Now you can play with the settings here, the amount, threshold, and then click on OK. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and take care. Just don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it, and like this video if you found it helpful.